Hello everybody, this is Ken Blade with our first physics update since I've made the Unity prototypes. And for those of you who've played the Unity prototypes, you'll notice the ball bounces were very simple. So now I'm making it a little bit more tunable and more realistic. So here's what I got. I'll show more of this animation update in the animation channel, but for now let's focus on the ball. So we've got the inspector here. Spacebar launches it. You can see that it's a bit slow. There's no drag working, but I'll add that eventually. Now, what's better now is you can set the angle. So if you want to hit a lob, you just, in code, you just say hit a higher angled shot. It'll go the same distance with the radius right here. The mouse will control the radius, but then the angle is what will determine like if it's a low shot or a high shot. I don't know why the angle is not changing, but like for example, a low angled shot right here goes straight into the net, right? So I'll probably give the player option hit between 50 to 80 degrees of angle, depending on the how far he is from the net. Now let's talk about the next two features that this game needs. Been talking to my mentor online. He's really good at physics. And he says we need a trail renderer because it'll show us if the ball's actually going where we want it to go. Like the trail renderer is like a ghost line right here. So that needs tweaking, but it doesn't have to look pretty. It just needs to be there to show us that the ball's not freaking out. Okay. So when we add spins and drag, all that good stuff, we'll see the trajectory actually changing. We can compare it with each other. Next one is called a predictor. So this predictor is a plugin that I bought. It's cheap, like $10. And then it's pretty good. But once you add in things like physics materials and drag and spins, then the predictor can't do its job. So this predictor needs to be upgraded. And I'm working with my mentors on that. And so, yeah, we really need more help on the physics team. I'm dedicating myself to this too. So let me show you his assignment. He says to make a realistic tennis game and to get our game to the next level, we need something like this right here, where instead of a prediction line, we're just going to do what's called a trail renderer. That's the first step. And then let me demo, show the scene, show you what it can do. So T launches one ball. Right now this thing is set up for prediction. Don't worry if these terms don't make sense to you. The more you hear it, the more it'll make sense.